Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, this is LN Mommy First. Now today I've decided to take you guys along with me while I do a little something on this wig that I bought from my first wig a couple years ago. I think it's like, well, it's longer. I think it's like 3-4 years ago. I bought this wig. Yeah, it's been a while, and because I cut my hair off, I haven't been using it, and I found it today, and I decided, I can do a short clip, where I try to get this hair back on track, get it back together. Now, I love my short hair, but sometimes a girl needs to, feel pretty, put on some extra something, something, something. So I've decided to, fix this wig. So what you see me doing here is like just cutting the bang a little bit better, shaping it up, because this hair is quite, so there's a lot of like loose hair, so I'm, longer strands than the other. So I'm trying to cut it a bit, get it in shape, sort of clip up a bit. And I'm by no means I'm not a professional. I just want to put that out there. I am not a professional. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm just doing this based on what I can see, using my eyes and doing it to my liking. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that, and then I'm going to straighten the hair, and yeah, just really go off of what I like by looking at it. So, and if you see me looking better forward, it's because my daughter's at home too when I'm watching her, and I actually was looking at my laptop that you can see in the background there where I was watching something. But yeah, other than that, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of this video. Just work on this short video, and then yeah, I thought it was a bit dark, so I went to get So yes guys, this is the ending. I'm coming to an end. I've straightened the hair and I like how it's looking, so I'm going to just show you here. You see how it looks? It looks really beautiful. So yeah, that's so here are a few pictures of the back and the front of the hair, and it's looking beautiful. I love the way it turned out, and I want to say a big thank you to you guys for your support. Like I said before, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.